Hello everyone, welcome back to the HamztechFixer YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into an important issue for those of you who have encountered the frustration of a community guidelines violation on YouTube. Specifically, we'll cover what to do when your YouTube channel gets taken down, even though you haven't uploaded any videos. That's right, my channel was recently taken down due to a community guidelines violation, despite not having any content uploaded. If this sounds familiar, stay tuned because I'm going to show you exactly how to appeal and recover your terminated YouTube channel. Before we get started, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel for more detailed and helpful videos like this one. So, what do you do when you haven't even uploaded any videos, but your channel gets removed? First things first, you can't access YouTube Studio, but you can still appeal from your Gmail account associated with the channel. In your email, you'll see a link that says Appeal here. Click on it, and it will take you to a form where you can submit your appeal. In the appeal form, you'll need to enter your full name, the email address associated with your YouTube channel, and the URL of your suspended channel. This is crucial even if you haven't uploaded any videos. Make sure you provide all the necessary information, and then it's time to craft your appeal text. You'll need to explain clearly that your channel was suspended or terminated, and why you believe this action was a mistake. To help you out, I've prepared an appeal text template that's available on my website. Just copy it, paste it into the form, and submit your appeal. I'll leave a link to the website in the video description below. It's super important to get this right, so make sure you follow the instructions carefully. Okay, so now I'm going to submit the appeal. And there we go. The appeal has been sent. Now we just have to wait for YouTube to review it. While we wait, let's keep our fingers crossed and hope for the best. Alright, it looks like we've got an email from YouTube. Let's see what it says. Yes, we did it. The violation has been removed, and my channel is reinstated. Now let's go to YouTube channel and see if the channel is recovered. So there you have it, folks. If you ever find yourself in this frustrating situation, don't panic. Follow these steps, appeal properly, and with a bit of luck, you'll have your channel back in no time. Thanks for watching, guys. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks from HamztechFixer.